bulldog blue. This one is big. How you can see, there are big up and down lounges to sit. I want today to share the beautiful day with you. So you can see a lot of tourists are arriving, fresh new, on the way. Istanbul is actually a very nice place. So you can see everything. There we have mosques up on the like little bit mountain. It's a unique place. There we have a bridge. So my subscribers and followers, subscribe us to see when we travel around. Travel around with Ali. Travel with Ali around, and the Halal office will share with you the posts and videos from Pakistan. Subscribe us, follow us to see when we go to Pakistan, and we will surprise you in which city in Punjab we will arrive in 2 weeks or sooner. We will post new videos from Pakistan. You will be fascinated. The area will be so beautiful. We show you the beauty of Pakistan, of course. The food, the traditions, everything. So follow us to see the new videos. And don't forget to subscribe us.